Sabi si Rona Lily, magandang gabi, Sisi. Ay, magpalog-alog na lang tayo dito, guys. Hindi na ako mag-menopause, di ba? 47 na masarap. Ay, lagot na naman ako. Malalagot na naman ako dito. Hanggang sahig ba? Hanggang sahig? What the? Ay! Sorry. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Just chilling for fun, okay? Huwag niyo huwag niyo isa puso.
Sexy woman, let me show them, made me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning, and them
Baka lang dyan po, grabe.
she wouldn't stop, made it drop.
Uy, sana maka 1,000 ako. Buksin niyo na yung mga ayusin niya, penge. Dila-dila ka lang dito, okay? Papadila-dila ka lang dito, bebe. Tapos, pinagloloko na ako nito. Teka lang.
Hear a knock on the door and the night begins.
Wait lang, guys. Hindi na to natapos eh.
Make yourself in my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself some.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much.
And you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes
Patuwad-tuwad ka lang dito. Teach me how to doggy. Sige, Sisi. Ako dito nag-exercise ako. You wanna pass? Okay, you can pass me. Go on. Are you going upstairs? Can you please bring Orio's food drain? Thank you. Sige, Sisi ka. Ako hindi na ako hula hop na lang ako.
welcome to my house.
Ano yung hula hop ka ba?
Morning comes and you know that you want to stay.
Yung yoga pole ko, hindi ko na rin makita.
Times change. Keep our clothes on the
Thank
floor.
you so much. Thank you.
Let's continue tonight. Come on, celebrate as
Dapat talaga naliligo ako sa gabi para hindi ako masyado maalat eh.
Sometimes you gotta stay. Welcome to my.
Ay, patay muna ako. Teka mo. Sikat ko lang yung visitor ko ha. Baka mapulis ako. Lagot na naman ako.
Bring a friend.
Lagot na naman ako dito.
Welcome to my mind.
Shawi, thank you. Good evening, good afternoon, good evening po.
Excuse me if my home draining the sad soon as these happy faces land, you can run with the cash, home run, slam dunk.
Malalagot na naman tayo.
Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Play the music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Yeah. Welcome to my house.
Malapit na ako mapulis.
It's my house, my house. What? Welcome to my
Pag
house.
napulis ako dito, piyansahan niyo ako. Oy, tama na. Hindi na nakakatawa yan. Masyado ka naman. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Dare to experience 100% electric rush from the race.
Nakawa si Chikora ko, diba? Thank you. Grace, I'm closer. Their skin so beautiful like you. Why do you want me to close my hands? Bakit daw? Uy, maitim talaga yung kilikili ko sa totoong buhay. Mas maitim pa sa kaluluwa ko. Charot. Gusto ko sana dati mag-Pegasus kasi hindi ako pwede. Good morning po. Good morning. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very so cute. Thank you, God F. Can you send gift for me? Siya the Godfather. Maligaw ka sa kilikili, huwag mong ipakita yan. Ah, Salvador. Salvador, yung ano ko, yung kilikili ko may konting libag. Okay lang ba?